Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to make ChatGPT create a diagram. In the ChatGPT website, all you have to do is to type in "Give me a latex coding" of a flowchart explaining your topic title. For this example, I'm gonna type in "How diseases work." Wait for it to be done and then copy the code. After copying, open a new tab and type in "overleaf." Click on New Project and then name your project. Delete the default coding and paste the code from ChatGPT. Click on Recompile and you'll have a simple chart on how diseases work. If you want this diagram to be more complex, you can just ask ChatGPT to make a code that is more complicated. And there you have it! You have now successfully used ChatGPT to create a diagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!